ladies, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. I also really love unboxings. Speaking of unboxings, I just received my Boxycharm by Ipsycharm for the month of April. If you're unfamiliar with the Boxycharm by Ipsy, this is a $32 monthly subscription where you'll receive 5 full-size items. We do have a choice. We can go in and select some of those items, and it's a value of around $200. This one I do pay for myself, and I do also receive PR from Ipsy, so we're gonna go ahead and dive in. If you like unboxings, if you like makeup tutorials, plus size clothing hauls, or indie makeup, I'd love to have you join and become part of my beauty family. First up, we have an informational card. It will also give us our theming for the month. So this is the Ipsy Boxycharm April 2025. Spring into self-care. Nourish your skin, savor a sweet treat, soak in the beauty of nature. This month, indulge in life's simple pleasures and let your glow run wild. And it would generally give us like pertinent information, dates, and things like that for that month. First thing, right on top, is a Natasha Denona palette. I'm pretty sure it's probably the same one that I received in my PR box. This is the Natasha Denona Hot Taupic eyeshadow, not topic like I thought in my PR package. But look, in my defense, you guys, if it would have said taupe -IC, I would have picked up the taupe. But I was thinking like tropical vibes and stuff like that. So yeah, thank y'all for correcting me. And by the time people said it, it made more sense to me. And the color story made more sense to me. Anyways, all that to say, we got a Natasha Denona palette. And it is very cool, very taupey vibes. And this is a retail value by itself of $48. So this right here is literally the price of the entire box. So yeah, it's taupe-ic. Look, in my defense, y'all, I swear, if it would have been written taupe-ic, I would have picked that up, y'all. I would have picked it right on up. Next up is the Dew of the Gods. We definitely see them quite a bit. The Fila Nitro Caffeine and Retinol Under Eye Pads. Ooh! Tightens under eyes and erases dark circles. 10-15 minute sessions. That sounds amazing. I feel like this is a perfect like transitional skincare type item, if you will, because we're kind of transitioning in for a lot of people into kind of a less is more approach or more dewy, glowy, lighter foundations and makeup and stuff like that, kind of veering into warm months. And for me personally, I don't do that. I actually go matte in the summertime and I go loomy in the wintertime, because it's hot as hell here, y'all, and it's muggy, and anything that's matte and anything that's loomy, dewy, glowy, it is not saying on this face. No ma'am, not in North Carolina, it's not. But all that to say, I like the transition from it being really cold outside and us maybe having a little bit more drier skin and stuff like that. So this kind of rehydrates the under eye and kind of preps our skin for that kind of less is more approach. So already thrilled. Next up is the Context Lip Balm in Close to You. In Close to You. And I have plenty of products like this open right now, so I'm not gonna like fully try it or anything like that, but I'm gonna show you what the packaging and everything looks like. And I believe it's just gonna be sheer. It is the faintest little baby doll type pink. So I'm assuming it's just gonna be sheer. Love that. And already we've got 2 makeup products and then 1 skincare type product. Next up, oh, these are pretty. These are the Luna Magic Face Brush Set. I do like the packaging. It's got like flowers and the ombre effect with both of my favorite colors. We've received quite a few of the Luna Magic brushes and they're really, really great. I cannot speak today, y'all. Great quality. And they feel nice and weighted and heavy and stuff like that, which I love. I also love that we got a palette and they gave us the brushes as well. This is the Ofra Midi palette in Blossom Blush. And of course, I will show you what that looks like as well. Very pretty. And I like that there's blushes and highlighters in here. And I do film in natural daylight when and if ever possible, so you're seeing it hopefully in kind of the best light that I can provide for y'all, you know what I'm saying? I'm giving this a 5 out of 5 yellow hearts, y'all. I think it's a slam dunkaroonie. We got our palette, the brushes, the lip balm, the under eye patches, and a freaking Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette. I'm absolutely thrilled. What do you guys think? Are we box twins? I'd love to know. And how do you think Boxycharm by Ipsy is doing lately? I feel like they're kind of stepping it up a little bit. I kind of have always said that I wish that they always did some form of palette. I feel like for a really long time that was something that for those of us that are consumers and purchase the box, that was a kind of a main selling point for us. And even though I do like to discover new brands, like I love that, I love indie makeup and indie brands and stuff like that, it's also really nice to see kind of cult classic type brands, more higher end brands, luxe brands in the Boxycharm by Ipsy. So I'm absolutely thrilled. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Let's have that conversation. What are your favorite subscription boxes? They don't have to be makeup or beauty. I'm definitely open to trying more like lifestyle or those types of, types of things. I know there's like some panty ones, some perfume ones, I believe, and stuff like that. I don't wear lashes or don't do lashes and stuff like that, so I would not be interested in that. But if you guys have recommendations, definitely drop them down below. But thank y'all for joining me. I hope you have the most amazing day. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Thank you, of course, to my beautiful channel members. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.